So today I'm going to chat about something now, and I'm sure y'all will love this, and I'm sure there's people that can relate. It's about how to get your spouse, partner, or close loved ones to accept you riding a bike. Let's get into it. So the first thing you gotta do, if you got people around you that are nervous about you getting a bike, and normally it's because they love you, and also they don't know anything about bikes. All they've done is they've heard that people are getting licked off bikes left, right and centre, right? So the first thing you gotta do is keep on, you see, like when you're driving in your car when you're with them, just keep on pointing out the foolery that people are doing on the bikes. You know what I mean? It's like you're reconfirming to them, oh, I wouldn't do that. Look at him, look how he's moving. And the best way to do that, is to just drive around them when you see delivery riders. You get me? So what that should do, is it should start the process of, disarming them. Do you get me? With this, don't want you to ride a bike thing. Yeah. Secondly, just make them understand how cheap they are to run. Like, do you know what? I might have that instead of the car, like, babe, you've got a car, I've got a car, I might need to get rid of my car so we can save money for that holiday. Do you know what I'm saying? Just do them kind of, you know what I mean? You might need to say that. Do you know what I mean? And in that process there, what you want to be doing is get your theory done. Do you get me? And just do it quietly. Yeah, just do it quietly. Don't bother say nothing. Just go and do your theory. Pass that. Go and do your CBT. Pass that. Then after that, I don't know how you're gonna do it. You might have to say that you're going to work or get some time off work. And get some time off work, for your big test, for your 3 to 4 days training, or however many days you need. You get me? Just do that. And they've changed this road here still, right? So when you do that now, right, you've got the license now. Do you get me? You've got it now. So when you've got it now, you can say, oh babe, or to your friends and family, say, yo, I got the license now, So when you do that now, you're gonna learn a lot of stuff, innit? Like about helmets, how to make yourself more visible, observation, So what's going to happen now, is you're going to be reaffirming to them that you're safe, innit? Like, you know what you're doing, innit? Do you know what I mean? So all the work isn't done yet. You still got work to do. So what you got to do after that, is you got to bite the bullet and just buy a flipping bike. Just buy one. Do you get me? Me, like an idiot, not even an idiot, but I went straight for the kill. Like, I went for a 600, an old school one, but straight to a 600, first bike ever. Do you know what I mean? And it just looks scary. It just scares the family. They look at that saying, fuck you know, what are you doing? But just buy one. When you buy one, what starts to happen now, is the fear starts to kick in. People are going to be telling you about how many people died on bikes and this and that, and I know this person that this and that, it wasn't even their fault, it was not their fault, it's the people around them, and that's fine. They're going to do that, and it's only because they love you, man. They love you. You get me? They're concerned and they're scared. That's their insecurity. We ain't scared of bikes, man. Bike can't run, we run bikes. You get me? So anyway, when you've had your bike for at least, say, 6 months, around about that figure there, and your loved ones have seen you come home, leave, come home, leave, come home, leave in one piece, you haven't dropped it or had a little slip or fall and blah, 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 blah. After a while, they relax about it, they actually feel cool. And it's similar to myself, actually, because I remember my brother when he first started riding. I'd done his CBT, and I wanted to do his CBT just so I could, just for my own mentals, to see that he knows what he's doing. And I realised, yeah man, him know him, him good. And then when he got his bike, oh my life, I was scared. Every time he kept saying he's coming to check me or whatever, me frightened. You get me? But him have more buckle than me, you know them ways there. I'm frightened. Then me hear him gone out of town and gone dust. I'm afraid. Cause I only just went go on motorway just one day the other day on the other video. Do you get me? So, but now No man, after about 6-7 months and that, and I knew said my man knew what he was doing and stuff, mate. I didn't bat an eyelid. It's funny actually because I remember kind of going on a bit of a tangent here, but when I bought my 7, I think I bought it from I can't remember if it was Wolverhampton or something, but I never want to ride it back because to me I was like, too far, me with my stupid self, you get me? So obviously I had to just grab him rapid, pause, and my man came and he rode it back. I drove my car in it. You get me? But yeah, so as I said guys, I went on a bit of a digression, tangent, whatever you want to call it, but yeah man, the key to getting your loved ones okay with you riding a bike, you've got to get one and you've got to demonstrate to them that you know what you're doing and you're sensible. If you're someone in general that is dipsy, like in general you're always, when you walk, you drop over, or you're always lose things, you're always breaking this, then it might be a problem in it. Do you get what I'm saying? Because maybe you shouldn't be on bikes. Do you get me? Maybe your head kind of chip out little and you can't really, do you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not for you. But as long as you're sensible and you can demonstrate that, you know, you got more than a brain cell in your head, you get me? Then after a while they'll be okay with it. Do you know what I'm saying? And also what I will say is if you manage to get a bike against the people your loved ones will, right? And you end up having a little accident on that and hurting yourself. I don't know how it goes in other communities, yeah. But I know if you're coming from my community, you're more tagging it here. You see, your ears did hard. Let me tell you about the bike thing already, and look, you see if I did, you know them ways there. And especially if it's your partner, man, you're gonna be in serious trouble, man. So you better keep yourself out of harm's way for at least 6 months at the very least. I mean, you don't want to get harmed anyway, you get me? But like, just make sure you know what you're doing, mate, because I'm telling you, one move left wrong, I tell you, they're going to remind you that they was telling you from time and you never had no raw ears. And now look at you, look on you now. You broke up, your skin gone, your head bust, your wrist bust, pause, all kind of things are gone. You get me? If you did just listen when we tell you don't buy the bike, you get me? But yeah, so yeah, keep yourself on job, man. You get me? Cause look, I've been riding for, I don't know, since 2015. No, not 2015. Probably about 2019, something, 18, 19. And all and now, if I had a little mishap on the bike, people say, "See, I told you about the bike. Like, be careful. I told you." You know, like that. So, yeah. And it's mainly ladies, because obviously, them anxiety is different to we. You get me? What them get anxious about, we sometimes that fuels us, innit? Do you know what I mean? So them setup is different, innit? So that's just how they're pre-wired most, innit? But yeah, man, trust me. But that's the way how to get them to kind of, you know, be alright with you on the bikes. Or ish, you get me? Just to get their blessing. That's how you get their blessing, you know what I mean? You gotta earn it. It's not automatic, you get me? But anyway, listen, I hope you enjoyed that, family. If you can relate, comment in the comment section. Let me know. Anyway, peace, manners, love, respect. I'm out.